In this video, I'm going to show you how to check volume in MetaTrader 5. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to right click on your chart anywhere and you want to click on properties. Now, whenever you do this, you can go to this show tab over here and then you can either show tick volumes or real volumes. So I'm going to click on show tick volumes and click OK. And as you can see, it's going to show the volume down here at the bottom. You could also go and basically hover over these candles and it's going to show you what the tick volume is at the bottom, or whenever you hover over a specific candle, you'll see down here at the very bottom right, just look at here, down here, whenever you hover over a candle, it's going to say V, and then that's going to be your volume. So that's one way to do it. But of course, you could also use indicators. So you can go over here to the left to your navigator. You can go to view and then navigator if you're not seeing it right now. Click on the arrow next to indicators, then click on the arrow next to volumes. And from here, double click on volumes. You can set the parameters, levels, scale, visualization, etc. And then click on OK. Now, whenever you do this, you'll get this type of volume over here as well. And of course, it's going to be at the bottom of your chart. So that's how to check volume. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.